Hello everyone! In today's video, we are going to see what is Life Science Cloud, the new Salesforce platform focused on health and pharma sector. A platform like Life Science Cloud is going to have multiple implications in different departments of pharma companies. And that's why in this video we are going to focus on explaining what is Life Science Cloud if you work in tasks related to commercial excellence, omnichannel projects, or marketing teams. The launch of a CRM in the year 2024 should not be in the news, but this is an earthquake what is happening in the foundations of the health and pharma industry. And this earthquake is rooted in Veeva's decision to abandon the Salesforce CRM platform in 2022 and develop its own custom CRM platform. This movement forced customers to make an important decision about which platform to migrate their systems to, whether to stay with Salesforce CRM or migrate to the new Veeva Vault solution. This is also occurring in a context where many pharma companies are developing ambitious digital transformation and customer experience programs. In the omnichannel world, CRM platforms are at the core of many strategies. For example, to reach unvisited HCPs, to develop non-branded to branded content strategies, to improve the experience and valuation of new drug launches in omnichannel models, and many more. Today, the whole industry is moving more or less quickly to a hybrid customer interaction model. Part of the customer interactions are led by the rep teams, but an increasingly important part are different types of digital interactions. In this situation, Salesforce has decided to launch its own solution for the life science sector, in the same way that they already have them available for other sectors, such as the financial sector, non-governmental organization, media education, or industry. In this case, it will be Salesforce's own solution developed together with IQVIA, which will become Salesforce's new partner in life science. Until 2022, Salesforce has partnered with Veeva in the life science sector, and Veeva has developed its solution using the Salesforce platform. But now, there is a profound change in Salesforce's approach. The IQVIA team has moved to Salesforce with its life science product management team. Salesforce is not going to allow the same issue with a partner twice and is investing heavily in developing its solution in this sector. And what does this mean for IQVIA's customers? They will have to make a migration decision to Salesforce in the next few years, as Salesforce indicates it's a different product, and this means it's a new Salesforce CRM instance for customers who want to bet on this line. Life Science Cloud is going to be an enhanced platform with a new data architecture from the start. And also, the product management team from IQVIA has left the company and has moved to Salesforce. It will be the same for Veeva customers, who will have to decide whether to migrate to the Salesforce Life Science solution or to Veeva's development, Veeva Vault. For Salesforce, it's a serious bet, and with long-term evolutionary plans. It's clear to me that Salesforce is going to give everything they have in this industry, leveraging all its knowledge and capabilities. It's not a quick fix to minimize Veeva's exit from the platform, but a complete rethinking of its strategy in this industry. But what is exactly Life Science Cloud? To understand it, you first have to consider that Salesforce has a huge journey with multiple products that have evolved over the last 20 years. Life Science Cloud is an end-to-end engagement solution that powers personalization for HCPs, pharmacists, and patients, the key stakeholders in the industry. Life Science Cloud is built on Salesforce CRM. It is a customization and adaptation to the data model to three critical areas of pharma companies, such as clinical, medical, and commercial. And now, on top of these areas, Salesforce is developing applications that solve industry-specific use cases. Some of the most interesting for those of us working on omnichannel programs in pharma will be the HCP engagement, key opinion leader management, and patient services part. Instead of having a customized solution for events with physicians or KOL management as we have now, this application will unify and standardize customer management in a much more coherent way. The platform is not built from scratch, but reuses all of the CRM add-ons already developed by Salesforce, such as Einstein, Generative AI, Data Cloud for advanced segmentation and integration of customer data, or Marketing Cloud, the de facto standard in the pharma sector for launching multi-channel campaigns. It also makes available possibilities not being used in the pharma sector, such as customized web developments for HCP training portals, or non-branded strategies for patients with this Experience Cloud platform. But probably the most important part of Life Science Cloud is this new approach for the pharma sector. Not focus on redeveloping a CRM, but create a unified end-to-end platform empowered by generative AI capabilities. This offers new functionalities not available today from other platforms, where data is not unified or digital data acquisition from customers is missing. But let's review how Life Science Cloud solves certain functionalities that are currently available and are a key part for the pharma sector. For example, CLM, content approval processes, rep management from an iPad, or approve emails for contacting HCPs. First of all, the content and approval process is developed within the Salesforce platform itself. Instead of using a combination of external platforms to perform content approval, Life Science Cloud uses Salesforce native approval processes, so it can maintain a library of approved content, those under review and those that are about to expire. Very important, the approved content is available to be used by different engagement platforms such as Marketing Cloud. In platforms such as Veeva, you need to access Veeva Vault and export the content by sending an email to the team that is going to run the campaign. There have been multiple cases of sending content of an unapproved version under this system or sending it to the wrong customer segment. However, in this case, the content does not leave the platform, operating in a more flexible and secure way for all parties involved. The integration of rep iPad devices is another element that has been improved in Life Science Cloud. Reps will have an enhanced integrated interface, such as Einstein Copilot, to access next best engagement action with their HCPs or track their cycle plan from the iPad. Unlike current platforms, reps can review the HCP's entire history of digital interactions to better connect with their customers. The unified view of the HCP is another point that Salesforce is improving, maintaining a view, for example, of the affiliation of each HCP. Consent management workflows can be done directly from the iPad, another element that was missing in platforms such as Veeva. As we have seen in Marketing Cloud, approved emails are available for specific customer segments and can be sent directly from the iPad by the reps. And finally, we review another important improvement, and is the possibility of using territory management for the allocation of the reps to the HCPs, simplifying the management of commercial teams. In this video, we have seen how Life Science Cloud covers the existing functionalities in platforms such as Veeva in terms of CLM, content and approval processes, approved email, management from the iPad, or unified view of the HCPs. Salesforce also has the leading CRM platform in the market, and with the help of IQVIA, is developing a great solution for the life science sector. It will be a fresh start and a new approach to pharma companies looking for a CRM and omnichannel solution. With this move, there will be two main platforms left in the market for pharma companies, Salesforce and Veeva. For me, the big question is whether a company with no previous experience in the development or technology platform will be up to the challenge of this new platform. From my point of view, the big handicap that Veeva will have is its lack of experience in platform development, and a new proprietary platform like Veeva Vault, no matter how many resources it has for its launch, will be difficult to compete in the medium term with the Salesforce Life Science Cloud and the huge investment that are needed in the sector. Remember that Salesforce is a company with more than 20 years of experience and multiple products in the market. But this is obviously my personal view. Leave your opinion in the comments of this video below.